a sweet potato hummus and bacon sandwich. I have here some chana out of the tin, guys. Make sure you drain and wash properly. So you add your chana straight there. Boiled the sweet potato, and I really just want to put a very nice, simple, rough chop. So I add my sweet potato to my chana. Yeah, and then I can start just seasoning them up. I'll add some salt. Yeah, some pepper. And to that, I have some garlic. I can throw it in there. I just like to probably release the flavors of the garlic, give it a nice little mash, and throw about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic in there. To that, I have some lime juice. I have about 2 tablespoons of lime juice that I'll add in there. A little bit of paprika. I love paprika. There's a smoked paprika. It's not always available, but when you get it, the smoked paprika really does do something to most of your dishes. To that, I have some shadow benny, also picked up at the Namdefco market. Great stuff. Quick, and just add the shadow benny in there. Nice little local flavor. Pepper sauce. So you just get it started, and I have about a half cup of olive oil that I will start adding in here. And that should be good. That should just be good. Smooth and creamy, almost like a paste, and that's kind of what you're looking for. I actually have some hummus here that I prepared. Look at that, look how pretty, look how wonderful. And I can start preparing my sandwich. So it's just like, think a cheese piece. Fantastic. So a nice little spread on one side. I'll do the same for this guy. So I told you, you know me. I love to have some meat ever so often. So it's not just sweet potato hummus, but I'm doing a sweet potato hummus and bacon sandwich. I have lovely strips of bacon that I would have just simple fried, and I pile on some bacon on this sandwich. I always love some peppers and onions. Decided not to use mushrooms. Don't ask me why. But just simple saute, salt, pepper, and I really just want to take a little bit of that, top it over the sandwich. I love onions. Yeah, onions is another ingredient that I can't do without most times once I'm in the kitchen. And I have some arugula lettuce. Any type of lettuce, guys, you have is fine. And you really just kind of top there. And just for good measure, I have some garlic sauce. Garlic sauce is just kind of perfect, just so it just kind of drizzles through the entire sandwich. And there you go, guys. I have 2 wonderful sandwiches right here that you can try.